Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a one bowl brownie. This recipe is very simple. You can always serve this brownie with ice cream or anything. It's so easy. It serves 8 brownies and it's very simple. I've taken 1 egg, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, half cup sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/8 teaspoon salt, baking powder 1/8 teaspoon, and 1/4 cup of flour. So let's get started. Let's mix the butter and egg together. After I've mixed the butter and the sugar, I've added the egg. Now I'm going to add the vanilla essence and I'm going to mix it. Is while I'm mixing the butter and the egg together, it's better that you preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Transfer the brownie batter into this loaf pan. You can also use a round pan, whatever you have convenient. This is a very small batch brownie. So now I'm going to put it in my preheated oven for 20 minutes. Very small batch brownie, guys, and you can serve it with ice cream or anything you like. It's just convenient for eating it in a small batch. Even when you have very less ingredients in your house, you can just make it to enjoy or indulge yourself. So I also have a a full size brownie on my, it must be coming in the on the right hand side of my video. Please try that recipe out as well, and give this a try too. This is going to be delicious. Subscribe to my channel, guys. These are what the brownies look like. They are delicious, guys. So yummy, so delicious.